at nang lumigaya, hinanumos sa dusa. Tanging ikaw, sinta, ang aking pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay, dapat mong tanungin, wala nang ibang gilid. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay alayakan. Kung tunay man ako, ay atipilin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko. Dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay, dapat mong tanungin, wala nang ibang giliw. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay alayakan. Kung tunay man ako, ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko. Dahil sa'yo. Thank you. Okay, let's continue the food.
So, sa ating mga televiewers, malaking bagay na na-entertain natin yung ating matatanda, especially minsan wala silang ganang kumain. So sometimes you do some tricks para kumain sila. Dapat nutritious food ang ipapakain ninyo sa matatanda. My mother is 82 years old, and though she cannot walk, but she's mentally alert. Na-enjoy pa rin niya yung music. So, bigyan natin ng more songs, no? Anong gusto mong kantahin pa? Ano pa? Maybe you want an English song? English song? Let's try this old song. Are you familiar with Impossible Dream?
It's an old song by Matt Monroe. The impossible dream, to right the irritable wrong, to love pure and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or more, to be willing to watch it to hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I'll only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest, and the world will be better for this, that one man's born and covered with scars, still grows with his loves of courage to reach the unreachable star. We have to reach the unreachable star, of course, with the help of